first time I'm doing a video like this with this whole setup behind me. You can see my double monitor setup, my desk and all. So this is the first time I'm doing this, so I'm going to try out a few different variations. This first video is about my Manan dock that is powering the heart of my PC. So this allows me to switch between my personal desktop, my work laptop, and any other computer that has a USB-C port. And the feature that I love is that it allows me to switch my mic, my mouse, a bunch of other peripherals, the web camera that I have, the stream deck that I have on my desk. So all these devices just seamlessly switch over to whichever computer the USB-C dock is. So you see there's this wire at the top here. That's the USB-C wire that is connected to the dock. That's the main dock cable, and everything else, all the peripherals are connected inside the dock, including this monitor, my main monitor. So as you'll see in the blog post that describes, I had this one main monitor and I wanted to switch between my work laptop and use this as a second monitor, switch it to my PC and use it as my main monitor. And if I wanted to just seamlessly switch, I got myself a HDMI switcher. So there are a bunch of things under my desk, and that's what the blog post goes into. So I will walk you through all those things, and yeah, I'm pretty excited about this setup, about this camera, being able to do these kind of videos. So thanks for watching. Appreciate it. If you like the content, subscribe, give me a like, send me a message if you have any questions. All right, folks, thanks. Okay, so let's do a demo of how the dock and the HDMI switcher and the screen and all the devices switch back and forth. So right now I've got the dock connected with the USB-C into my personal desktop. I've got my devices, my keyboard, my mouse, my stream deck, my mic, my webcam, and this large monitor all connected to the personal PC. I'm going to bring my work laptop and we'll switch all these devices with one cable. So my work laptop is a Surface Pro. I got it here. All I'm going to do is take this cable out of here, plug it into the USB-C, and I am going to press my HDMI switcher, and I will hit my Bluetooth button on the keyboard. So the keyboard is connected via Bluetooth. This screen is my work laptop screen. My mouse is also already on my work laptop. So this is my work laptop. As you can see, blah blah blah, all this other stuff. So this is my work laptop. Now my mic, all of these devices are on here. Now if I wanted to switch to my personal laptop, all I have to do is bring it, change the cable. So I'm going to unplug this from my work laptop, plug the USB-C into my personal laptop, place it here, move my work laptop to the side, and as you can see, now I am on my, I hope I am on my Asus, let's see, Windows Explorer, and there we go. And now I am on my laptop. Now all I have to do is, if I want to go back to my personal desktop, take this cable out, switch it here, move this, hit the HDMI switcher, lightning, light speed, and now we are on my personal desktop. So that's the demo.